Can I re-download Minecraft for free if I had previously purchased it?
Hey there, Minecraft enthusiasts! Welcome to another video where we discuss everything related to Minecraft. Today, we're going to answer a common question. Can you re-download Minecraft for free if you had previously purchased it? Let's dive right in.
Minecraft purchase and account management.
To understand whether you can re-download Minecraft for free, we need to clarify a few things about Minecraft's purchase and account management system. Minecraft offers two main editions, the Java Edition and the Bedrock Edition. The Java Edition is available for purchase on the official Minecraft website, while the Bedrock Edition is available through various platforms such as PC, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, iOS, and Android. When you initially purchase Minecraft, whether it's the Java Edition or the Bedrock Edition, you create a Mojang account or a Microsoft account, respectively. This account is important because it ties your purchase to your specific account and allows you to manage your Minecraft licenses.
Re-downloading Minecraft.
Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. If you had previously purchased Minecraft, can you re-download it for free? The answer depends on the edition of Minecraft you own and the platform you are using. Let's break it down. 2.1 Re-downloading Minecraft Java Edition. If you had purchased Minecraft Java Edition in the past, you can re-download it for free. The official Minecraft website allows you to access your Mojang account and download the game files whenever you need them. Simply log into your Mojang account on the website, go to the My Games section, and locate the download option for Minecraft Java Edition. 2.2 Re-downloading Minecraft Bedrock Edition. For the Bedrock Edition of Minecraft, the process differs depending on the platform you are using. Here are a few common scenarios. 2.2.1 Re-downloading on PC, Windows 10. If you had previously purchased Minecraft Bedrock Edition for PC, Windows 10, and you are using the same Microsoft account, you can re-download it for free. Visit the Microsoft Store on your PC, search for Minecraft, and locate the option to reinstall the game. 2.2.2 Re-downloading on console, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch. On consoles such as Xbox, PlayStation, and Nintendo Switch, the ability to re-download Minecraft Bedrock Edition depends on your purchase history and the specific platform's policies. In most cases, if you had previously purchased the game using the same account, you should be able to re-download it for free from the respective digital store associated with your console. 2.2.3 Re-downloading on mobile devices, iOS and Android. Similarly, for mobile devices running iOS or Android, you can usually re-download Minecraft Bedrock Edition for free as long as you are using the same App Store or Google Play Store account that you used to make the initial purchase. Visit the respective store, search for Minecraft, and locate the option to reinstall the game. In conclusion, if you had previously purchased Minecraft, you can generally re-download it for free. Minecraft Java Edition can be re-downloaded from the official Minecraft website by logging into your Mojang account. Minecraft Bedrock Edition can be re-downloaded on various platforms, such as PC, consoles, and mobile devices, as long as you are using the same account and meet the platform's requirements. We hope this video has clarified the process of re-downloading Minecraft for you. If you have any further questions,